Hello everyone, my name is Shomodipto. Today I am going to show you how to run C++ codes on Visual Studios. First thing you need is a compiler. What is a compiler? It helps you to run the code. Okay, to run C++ code you need a GCC compiler. To download GCC compiler, you go to your respective browser and type on the URL space mingw.org. Okay, after you go to that website you will see the downloads button here. Okay, this is the web browser, how it looks like this. Okay, so you go to downloads and this is the icon to download the mingw get setup.exe. Okay, so let's download it. You will get this information here. Yeah, it already downloaded, so let's go to it and let's install. I've already installed it. Still I'm showing you this. So c underscore mingw. Okay, you just continue and I've already installed this, so I'm getting this checkbox. You won't get it. Just click on continue and it will be done. Okay, uh, no, I have to show you something. Wait, let's continue. Okay, run now. Here you have to checkbox two things. What are those? One is for C++, and another is for one is for C and the other is for C++. So this is the thing, mingw32 GCC bin. Okay, just I'm clicking it so you can see this description here. So it helps you to it provides a package in the mingw implementation of GNU C language compiler. Okay, so this is the one for C compiler, and the second one is what is it? This one is yeah, this one mingw32 GCC G++ bin. This one for C++ compiler. You just click on here and mark for installation. Okay, just click on the checkbox and click on mark for installation. I'm not getting it because I've already done. After it is done, it will just you will get a colored button. This one you check, see, this is a green color or something like that. After clicking the checkbox, you go to installation and click on apply changes. After it's done, you can just close it. Okay, now let's go to Visual Studio Codes. So this is how it looks like. Let's close it. Don't save. Okay, so this is how it looks like. First you need to create a workspace. I hope you can already create it. Still I'm showing you. Just go to files and add folder to workspace, and you can just save workspace as, so it will be saved as a workspace. You can just click on add folder to workspace. See, this is the workspace I have already created, C++. This is the workspace I have. You can't see this. Okay, you can't see any programs inside it. Still this is the I have already added. You can just create it by writing any name, like anything. I'm just opening this, the regular one. So this is my C++ workspace, CCPP workspace, and this is the folder inside it. So I have written a simple test program, test.c. You can't write the directly the C programs here. You will not be able to get a extension .c or .c++. So to get a C extension, you need to download some extension or install some extensions. So this is the extension button here. You just go to the extensions button and search these two. Okay, the code runner and C++ by IntelliSense powered by Microsoft. Okay, this is the thing I'm showing you. You will get a green install button here. Just install it. You can see what it does. This extension is required based on files recently opened. This recently opens means I have opened that C++ files. You can read it here. And the code runner, It's by Jan Han. It What does it do? It helps you to run C++ codes, Java, JavaScript, Python, PHP, Perl, and other languages. Okay, mm, that's it. You can read it here. Everything is detailed here. So that's it. I am showing you after. Okay. There is another thing. This is the program I've written. So you need to, after writing a program, you must always save. To save, Control S. You can just Control S it, and it will be saved. To run it, you just click on this button, run, and you will get the output. Wait, yeah, I got it. Hello world. You will not get it. Why you will not get it? Because you have not included the path variable. So to add the path variable, you just go to your search button, just write path. This one, just click on edit the system environment variables. Go on it. So just go to environment variables and go to path and then edit. So you have to add the bin. You have to add bin inside the min GW where you have stored it. Okay, so I'm just showing you where I've stored it. It's in C drive. So let's go to C drive. This one, huh? Min GW. Here you want to just go to bin and just copy this one. Just copy it. After copying it, just click on new and just paste it. Okay. After it's done, just click on OK 3 times. I guess, yeah. You can just if you want to see that it has been added or not, you can just again go to edit and check it. Click on OK and it will be ready to run. Okay, you can now, if it's not working, you can just close the Visual Studios and open it again, and I hope that it will run perfectly. So that's all for today. Thank you. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then just click on the like button and share it with your friends who are not able to do it, or if you have any queries, you can just write it on the comment section. Thank you.